Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. Pink's right under my feet. I'm going to do a pour on this is a 20 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm just going to, I don't know, put some paint down and see what happens and kind of play around a little bit here. I am going to put white down from my base. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys will enjoy the video and join and subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Any comments you guys make, I get to, and I do respond to every single one of them. Sometimes it takes me a few days, but I do get to them. But I'm getting closer and closer to 900, so I'm pretty excited because right around the corner will be 1,000. Woo. I'm really super excited about that. It doesn't take much to get me excited, but I'm super excited to get closer to 1,000 so I can get monetized, hopefully. If you can, watch to the end. Help me get my watch hours up some. I need to get those up a little bit as well. But I do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching and following my channel here and having some fun painting and just creating and being able to be creative. Alright, so the colors I'm going to use. So I have Artist Loft white on the base. I'm going to use Rustoleum's metallic Glacier blue. I'm using Decoart's Sapphire and SoHo's Prussian blue. And then I have Decoart's 24 karat gold. And then I have, I think this is Arteza's, it's either the Pearl Hot Pink or the, which one is it? I'll put it in the description though, but I know it's Arteza. One of their pearls. I can't think though. And I think it's the Pearl Hot Pink. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some colors down and just kind of, if I do end up smearing, I'm gonna use Amsterdam's titanium white for my smear. Which, speaking of that, I need to get a couple tools here. Try not to fall over Pink. She always has to lay like right underneath my feet. My sweet love. Alrighty.
Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like that?
Okay, I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. So we have some shimmer through the 24 karat gold. We'll have some shimmer through the Glacier blue there. We'll have shimmer through the metallic Decoart Sapphire. Beautiful cells, lacing. You guys all have to tell me what you think. Look at all that shimmer. So pretty. I like how this gold is just so light in some spots. It's so pretty. And then you have the dark in there too. Very cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you, if you're returning, subscriber, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you joining us today. And hopefully you enjoyed it and you will come back and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and do all that fun jazz. Helps my channel out tremendously. And it's no cost to you, but just helps my channel. All my art is for purchase. You can email me at AmysCreativeAcrylics@gmail.com. And I also do customized pieces, so if you like a certain style, but you want some different colors, I can definitely do that. But I do thank you guys for joining me. I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.